As you can see at the start of the video, I have already added some code with the product-loop.liquid in here, and this is all the CSS for the file I have, that is for the product-loop.liquid, for designing all over the products we are going to be showing inside the index or front page. So what we have for the product in here, as you can see that we have the product margin. From the top it is 0, from the right it is 20, from the bottom it is 30 pixel, and from the left it is 0 pixel. The width of it is 225 pixel, and its text alignment is center, and font weight is bold. This is just for the thumbnails, that how the thumbnails would look like the initial image, and when a person clicks on that, then this area will be covered up when the image will be 100%, but when the person don't click on it, it will be a little of margin, little size, and this is the font size of the product price. But this will not do alone, because it will only pile up one product after another. It will be placed in vertical position, but I want to float them. I want to show them in horizontal position and placed one by other. One will be placed in here, one would be placed in here, and one would be placed in here. So I want to show them in actually something like in the horizontal placed position. So for that purpose, inside the global CSS file, I'm going to add some code that will actually float the products either from left or right, and afterwards we're going to clear it. As you can see that I have added some code in here that is floating from left or either from right. So if the products are placed in a row, that will be either floating from left or right, so it will be placed in horizontal position. But after doing the floating kind of scenarios, you're going to have to clear all of them, because if you don't clear them, then you're going to have to face a very bad situation for that. So you're going to have to clear before and as well as after. And I'm not going in detail what the clear fix is and how it can be used for further manipulation. But if you want to go in details, then you can refer to the documentation by W3 Schools for CSS, and you can refer to that. And remember that I have mentioned you that we're going to be using the .last class as we have discussed in the product, as you can see that in here. And now we are actually providing some style to it by providing margin right 0 pixel, and that is how we could actually marginalize the last area to the right pixel. So in this way, now we are ready to go and check out our store. I'm going to save everything in here, get back and refresh the page. And as you can see that the products are listed now either floating from left or the right, and they have the title with the anchor tag, and the price is also in there. And as you can see that this is now how our shops look like. So this is the front page we have, and these are the thumbnails. If you just click on each of the thumbnail, then you will find out that this is my product page, because we are actually referring to the my product page. If you get back in here and click on the product.liquid file, you will find out that this is my product page available in here. We're going to be working out the product page 2 for now on. This is enough that how we could actually manipulate the index page and how it would look like.